Hey guys, this is Thomas Ingersoll with Block EDU. Today we're going to talk about feathering. Feathering is a light technique where you can adjust your modifier to reduce the spill on your background. By simply turning your modifier away from your subject, you can reduce the amount of exposure on the background, but keep the same exposure on your subject. In this example, we can see that the light is aimed straight towards the subject and the background, exposing them both about the same. But if we turn the modifier away from the subject, feathering it, it will now reduce the exposure on the background and keep the exposure the same on the subject. I hope this tip has been helpful, guys. Just remember, next time you're in the studio or on location, you don't always have to have your light source aimed straight at your subject. Experiment by feathering it to different degrees to get different results to see how much light will spill on your background.